हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ नवरीन। मैं आप सबके साथ कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं ऑनलाइन जॉब्स विदाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट ढूंढकर थक गई थी। बट एक दिन फाइनली मुझे www.znetwork.in नाम का वेबसाइट मिला। वहाँ पर ओनर के कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स थे, यानी मुझे स्मिता विभूते के कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स थे। मैंने उन्हें कॉन्टैक्ट किया और सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जान ली। जानकर मैं उस वेबसाइट पर मैंने रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा लिया करके, और आज मैं उनकी गाइडेंस से अच्छा खासा कमा लेती हूँ। तो दोस्तों, मैं आज बताऊंगी कि www.znetwork.in में हमें कितना कुछ कमाने को मिलता है। So let's firstly begin with promotional offers. It is really a very big earning hub for you people. यहाँ पर सिर्फ इतना काम होगा कि सिर्फ अलग अलग वेबसाइट्स पे जाकर हमें रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना है। टू अर्न इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल टास्क। यहाँ पर आपको बॉलीवुड के सिजलिंग मूवीज, ट्रेलर्स और वीडियोस देखने को मिलते हैं। और यहाँ पर सिर्फ आपको इतना करना है कि you have to watch the whole video until the credit add dialog box appears on the screen and click on the credit add dialog box. Hence the credit will get added to your account. तीसरा है अर्न विद कॉन्टेस्ट। यहाँ पर हमें अलग अलग कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करके पैसा कमा सकते हैं। यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट ही होते हैं। चौथा है ऑनलाइन सर्वे। यहाँ पर अलग अलग सर्वेस होते हैं, अनगिनत सर्वेस होते हैं, जहाँ पर हमें उन सर्वेस को इंस्ट्रक्शंस के मुताबिक कंप्लीट करना है और हर कंप्लीटेड सर्वे का क्रेडिट हमारे अकाउंट में ऐड होता है। The fifth earning opportunity for you people is to view the ads. Just the thing you have to do is view the ads for at least 30 seconds till the credit ad dialog box appears on your screen, and hence click on to the credit ad dialog box. Your credit will be added to your. Sixthly are social media jobs. Here just the thing you have to do is to sign up with your verified websites like Facebook, Twitter or Good, and after signing up with those accounts the credit will get added to your account. You have also got very best features on Z Network like motivational quotes, where you can read and enjoy the best motivational quotes which will boost up your energy and confidence of earning. Which is Health Tips. Health Tips is an amazing feature which keeps on updating the health tips for you people to be healthy and to earn more and more, because health is wealth. Another two of the best features are Bollywood news and breaking news, which keeps on updating the latest news about the things happening around the world. And shopping and mobile dish TV recharge is also available on Z Network, where you can pay all your mobile or dish TV bills through your Z Network account, and the amount will get debited from your account, and you can get fabulous gift points to recharge your mobile and dish TV bills. Contestant gallery is an amazing feature where contestants are allowed to upload the videos and pictures on Z Network. Last but not the least is Ladies Corner. Ladies Corner is an amazing feature where you can find the unseen stories of great women who have not yet become popular. Finally, My Account Transaction is a feature where you can find all your transactions and earnings which you have earned till now. And another feature is to request to withdrawal, where you can request to withdrawal of your earned amount to the admin. And note one thing. You are eligible to withdraw the amount only when your account reaches $10, that is 500 rupees. Eventually, I would like to say that Z Network is not only an earning hub for you people, besides it's good as a complete overall and a blend of amazing features, as I told you people now. So guys, if you want to earn lots and lots of money, then what are you waiting for? Just log on to www.znetwork.in and get registered soon. Make it soon. Hurry up. Z Network is waiting to you all to welcome you. For any grievance and assistance, do please contact Mrs. Smita Vibhute at xlinfomedia@gmail.com or call